Kum shibinta ban aimin siem bat ban penroy ya karep karyang hapo katem ribhoy kakenhun kablatip kum ka Central Integrated Pest Management Center Shillong ha ka khatsan tarik nailur arjar arpulai kala penlong ka lempung ai jing hikai halor ka rukom sumar ya ki jingthung bat ban lait naki knyang hamau lingkhung ya kene ka lempung layas nok tilang ru dak Agricultural Technology Management Agency haringkat ka umsing sinar di blok Lawan shimbenta ha kene ke lempung ai jing hikai daki nongrap nakasnong maulingkung retiang bat ban budai bat lawan ban ai jing hikai daki scientist jong ka Central Integrated Pest Management Center Shillong ki bakentup ya Gokul Ram M Plant Protection Officer Dr. Devajara KP Aroti Hazarika Tenzing Wangden bat uba Mighty Star Lingdo Deputy Project Director ATMA Ribhoy District Bat ha kade ka sngi la hikai ba kumno banjit ya usembai ubabha kumno ban ai ki dawai ha kapor ka babiang bat kumno ban yada naki knyang habarep ya ukuba
kulitnya itu seperti dan kulitnya kan mau tahu ukuba kan mo ini long lima kilometer itu kita kim habarep yang kita sampai kambun kemudian akan experience itu bani kita waktu mau ketemu jeng ya kan mo ketemu jeng simplas molong kita ni
So, basically I want to ask one question. How the farmers will start their paddy cultivation? From the beginning, how they are farming? I want to know from one farmer.
Dia juga ini kalau kita mungkin semua sedang memberi kubah untuk yang baik katanya mana kalau untuk sedang menurut
From the basic.
sedang melihat tu. Yang saya baik plus ada komplainnya. Ini bisa berbaik ikutan antara itu kalau sains misalnya yang seperti bisa boleh di tak yang di tapnya.
So, their symptoms are not visible in the early stage. They will be on the leaves, the tip of the leaves they will be leaving. But when it is the plant starts tillering, at that time they will feed on the buds. There will be bud, the stem, it will feed on the stem, then it will cause a dead heart symptom, like this. Whenever you pull out, it will be completely dry and it will easily pull out. That is called dead heart. It is commonly observed in your field.
Dia mungkin dia tidak di tempat di bawah yang di bentuknya seperti ini, sampai dalam kemudian ini tidak bisa
When you see this dead heart kind of symptom in your feet, we have to take measure at that time itself. Whenever you see that there is some dead heart, one or two dead heart seen in your field, you have to start management practice at that point. This is the version of the later stage. After, if you not control this one at this stage, the grains will look like this. This is called white ear. The grains will be unfilled and they will be like fungus on the ears. They will call white ears.